Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy Finance channel, where we make financial education easy to understand for everybody. Today, we're diving into a very important topic: how money works, understanding income and expenses. What is money? Money is something we all use, but not everyone understands how it actually works. If you don't know the basics of income and expenses, you might always wonder, where does my money go every month? Why can't I save anything? Why do I always feel like I don't have enough money? But don't worry, today I'll explain it step by step in a very simple way with clear examples that will make everything easy to understand. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss new tips on financial freedom. Let's get started. What is income? Let's start with the basics. Income is the money you receive. There are different ways people earn money. Here are the most common types of income. 1. Active income, money you work for. This is the money you get in exchange for your time and effort. Examples: your salary from a job, hourly wages for part-time work, income from freelancing or side gigs. If you stop working, this money stops coming in. That's why it's called active income. You must work actively to earn it. 2. Passive income, money that works for you. This is money you earn without actively working every day. Examples: rental income if you own property and rent it out, dividends from stocks, profits from a business that runs itself. Building passive income takes time, but once you have it, you can make money even while you sleep. In case you find this information helpful, please share this video with your family, your friends, or anybody you think might enjoy it. Let's help more people build good financial habits. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple financial tips. 3. Windfall income, unexpected money. Sometimes money comes unexpectedly. This could be a bonus at work, lottery winnings, birthday or holiday gifts. Since this money is not regular, it's best to use it wisely, like saving it or investing it, instead of spending it on things you don't need. What are expenses? Now that we know what income is, let's talk about expenses. Expenses are the money you spend. There are two main types of expenses. 1. Fixed expenses, things you pay every month. These are bills that stay the same and must be paid regularly. Examples: rent or mortgage, electricity, water, internet, car payments, and insurance. These are necessary costs that you must budget for because they don't change much. 2. Variable expenses, costs that change every month. These expenses go up and down depending on your choices. Examples: eating out, shopping for clothes, entertainment like going to the movies. Some variable expenses are needs like food, while others are wants like a new phone when your old one works just fine. Remember, we talked about this. If you understand the difference between needs and wants, you can start making better money decisions. The balance between income and expenses. Now comes the most important part: income versus expenses. If your income is greater than your expenses, you have extra money to save or invest. That's a good financial situation. If your expenses are greater than your income, you're spending more than you make. This leads to debt and financial stress. Let's look at an example. Imagine you make $2,000 per month. Fixed expenses: rent, $700, car payment, $200, bills, $300, total, $1,200. Variable expenses: eating out, $150, shopping, $100, entertainment, $100, total, $350. This means your total expenses are $1,550, and you still have $450 left. That's good. But if you spend too much on shopping and entertainment, your expenses might exceed your income and you'll have to borrow money. That's when financial problems start. If you're finding these tips useful, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss future lessons. How to control expenses and save more. If you often find yourself short on money, don't worry anymore. Here are some simple ways to take control of your expenses. 1. Track your spending. For 1 month, write down everything you spend money on. This will show you where your money really goes. You might realize that small expenses, like coffee, snacks, or random online shopping, add up fast. 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule. This is a simple way to divide your income. 50% for needs, rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, shopping, entertainment. 20% for savings or investments. If you follow this rule, you'll always have money saved for the future. 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Here are easy ways to reduce spending. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Cook at home instead of eating out. Walk or use public transport instead of driving everywhere. By making small changes, you can save hundreds of dollars per month. How to increase your income. If cutting expenses isn't enough, you might need to earn more money. Here are some ways to increase your income. Ask for a raise at work, but you can do this only if you have been performing well and made yourself indispensable. Start a side hustle. Sell handmade products. Do freelance work. Learn a new skill to qualify for better paying jobs. Keep in mind, more income, plus fewer expenses, plus savings and investing result in more steps towards financial freedom. Understanding how money works is the first step to financial success. Let's recap. Income is the money you earn, salary, side hustle, investments. Expenses are the money you spend, rent, food, bills, shopping. If you spend less than you earn, you can save and build wealth. Use simple strategies like tracking expenses in the 50-30-20 rule. Now that you know the basics, it's time to take action. Start tracking your money today and see where you can improve. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.